birthday kay Commissioner Lloyd Rivera of Ako Bicol Cup. Maraming salamat sa opportunity. Bossing, happy birthday sa iyo.
Happy birthday po, bossing. Baka naman.
Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is your day 5 ng Ako Bicol Cup. Camarines Norte, hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang nakasurog pa, magandang hapon ulit. Ako si John Batchiller, kasama aking partner na si
Angelo Espinacilla. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Yes, it's an honor again, Sir Angelo, na makatambal ka sa hapong ito. And medyo special ang araw na ito, partner, kasi birthday ng ating commissioner na si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera. Magandang hapon, boss. Happy birthday po.
And happy birthday sa ating dearest commissioner na si Sir Lloyd Rivera.
Yes, and ito ang labanan ng San Vicente versus Vinson's, partner. I've noticed wala si Leo Nahorda sa lineup ng San Vicente. So tingnan natin kung ano magiging adjustments ng San Vicente pagdating sa scoring, dahil alam naman natin ang scoring ay medyo nakadepende sa ex-pro na si Leo Nahorda.
Ayan, tingnan natin, no? Personally, I'm very excited because these two teams have won, no, their first game, no, nung unang week ng ating Ako Bicol Cup Norte. So tingnan natin, no, kung sino yung magpapatuloy yung winning streak at sino naman yung makakatikim ng unang pighati ng pagkatalo.
Yes,
tingnan
tama dyan. Coming from a win, na-cover ko itong Vinson's, kumbaga hard-fought win ang nakuha nila. Medyo these guys are medyo bata pa, kaya medyo aggressive and mahaba yung tinawag ko ngayon sampayan trio nila with the likes of Berwite, Velasco. Yun na nga, nandun sa loob to establish their inside presence pagdating sa ilalim.
Tama, no? The highest pointers in their previous outing, andito agad sa first 5. So, at the very beginning of the match, they are going hard and they're going strong. So, tingnan natin, no, if this will be a good strategy for both teams.
Yun na nga, nagkaroon tayo ng konting technical difficulties. Inaayos lang ng ating magigiting na part ng committee and technical na pinamumunuan ni Coach Paulo Viñas and ni Paul Redoblado. And partner, good size crowd kaagad. Ngayon meron tayo. Di ko in-expect na ganito kaagad na medyo madami-dami yung numbers. Kasi sa previous games na na-cover natin sa Kamsur dati na medyo talagang hapon na sila pumunta, pero still ngayon meron na kaagad.
Tama, no? Despite the temperature, no,
Yes.
medyo mainit relatively. Makikita mo kanina, no, isang bus
Ah,
ng supporters yung kasama ng magkaabilang team. So really, the support and the love for the game, you can really feel it.
Yes, alam naman natin pagdating talaga sa basketball, ang ating mahal na mga Bicolanos talaga very devoted and mahal na mahal nila yan. So ano kaya ang handa natin mamaya? Papakain ni Com?
Actually, na-excite na ako after watching three games, no, this Saturday. For sure, magiging bakbakan ito, no. We'll celebrate later.
Yun,
of course. No.
Nangabatiin ko si Kuya Alex na, Kuya Alex, sayang, wala ka na naman.
Mamimiss mo ang lechon, Sir Alex.
Yan na nga. And kung may oras pa kayo, punta kayo dito sa Basod Sports Complex to witness yung live games. And syempre, kung hindi naman kayo makakapunta sa ating venue, manood lang tayo sa ating mga Facebook page, meron tayong YouTube channel. I-subscribe natin para at least yung mga replays o yung mga previous games from Albay Leg, Camarines Sur Leg, makikita natin doon.
Tama. And makita nyo din, no, kung may sinusuportahan kayong team dito, makita nyo kung sino yung magagaling sa ibang provinces at kailangang paghandaan ng teams ng Cam Norte. So, ang mga channels natin sa FB page, Ako Bicol Online TV, Rep Zaldico, at sa YouTube naman, we have Ako Bicol Cup 2023. So, like, follow, and subscribe. And I think we're ready, with our first match of our triple game this Saturday.
Yes, grabe pala. Tatlong laro. Tatlong very exciting games. So, pakaabangan natin yan. And we are about to start ang ating first game ng ating triple header nga, sabi mo.
Tama. And saka tune in lang wearing the black jerseys, if I'm not mistaken, are
Black or dark blue?
dark blue. Yan, the team of San Vicente. And mga naka-pink naman yung team ng Vinsons. There we go.
Yes, and tip up, nanalo. Ang dark shirt, sila si Jenmar Bragais looking for his teammates. Bragais, number 24. Na si Ofracio misses the shot, but there is Bornales misses the shot. Ayan na. Berwite controls the rebound. Partner, I've noticed pantay lang ang lineup ng dalawa. Kumbaga, there's no bigs. And first crack at the basket, si number 7 na si Pajares with the 3-point bomb. Yun na nga sabi ko kanina, medyo patas lang at wala masyadong malaking bigs ang both teams.
Tama. So this will be a battle of shooting from the outside and quick run and gun. So tingnan natin kung sinong mamamayagpag.
At the putback by Bobby Disquitado, talagang I've seen him play. Talaga masipag ang player na ito. So pakaabangan natin ang mga loose balls and mga offensive rebounds na yan. And si Abanes, double team, Berwite. Cross court to Pajares. Pajares swings the ball to Abanes with a crossover. Pull-up jumper. Misses the shot. Nakakuha ni Disquitado.
Mukhang nagbo-warm up pa ang dalawang teams.
Yan na si Bagais. In and out dribble. Bagais attack. Grabe. Janmar Bagais and 1 plus the foul. Partner, kung napapansin mo kung gaano ka-relax ang isang Janmar Bagais. Kasi alam naman natin, he is very experienced pagdating sa mga basketball and mga local leagues dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya relax na relax ang isang Janmar Bagais and completing the 3-point plays, Janmar Bagais.
Tama, no? Experienced player know how to put the ball in the basket at the same time get a foul.
Yes, yan na. Berwite gives the ball to Velasco. Velasco attacking. Velasco with the fake. Hands it off. Dipsidu. Mintes galing kay Napaw. But Berwite grabs the rebound with 11 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Velasco inside for 2.
Good ball movements on the side of Vincent's there.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Yan si Mornales, swings the ball to Bragais. Bragais attacks, hands it off to number 28. Sa si Malinaw. Grabe partner.
Tama, San Vicente showing that they can do it as well.
Grabe partner itong si Malinaw. Yung mga muscles niya talagang piniflex sa ilalim. Ayan na si Velasco. Tinatangkang banggain si Disquitado. But, ano yung natawag? Traveling infraction on the part of Velasco. The score is 7-5 in favor of San Vicente with 7 minutes remaining sa ating first quarter. Ayan na si Bragais, attacks, drops it off again. Malinaw, grabe partner ang amo yan ang dalawa ito. Kanina pa to, from warm-up talaga sila na nag-uusap. Siguro talaga, nag-uusap sila na ako na bahala dito. Ayan na si Napaw. Orchestrating inside, misses the shot. Bragais is rushing. Bragais attacks against Velasco. Fakes, up and under. No good. Rebound ni number 26 na si Mornales. Mornales waiting for his teammates. To Ofracio for 2.
Grabe, parang Bragais is showing at the first few minutes that he is the king under the rim.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And siya talaga ang nag-uumpisa ng opensa pagdating dito sa San Vicente. Yan si Berwite sa ilalim. 11 seconds remaining sa kanilang clock. Abanes swings the ball to Berwite. Berwite fakes. Gives the ball to Napaw. Short jumper. Bucket. Medyo patient yung opensa kanina. Tama yon, finding their open teammates. And kumbaga, yung easiest shot talaga dapat naman ang ibigay natin sa ating mga teammates.
Tama, and commended yung mga coach nila. No? Of course, it's a product or result rather of hours of practices.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And Disquitado, 62nd bucket of the ball game. Ayun na si Velasco, jumper, air balls. And yun nga partner, medyo slow pace pa ang ating laro. Siguro dahil factor nga yung sinasabi yung weather na talagang mainit. But still, alam naman natin yan, mga kondisyon yan. Once they are pinagpawisan na, talagang tuloy-tuloy na yan.
Tama, no? Parang nag-init pa lang yung karburador.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Si Ofracio using the glass but misses the shot. But there is, ayan na si Bragais. Fakes, Bragais attacks with a crossover. Nadulas. Ayan na. Mintis nga lang ang tira ni Malinaw. But bola mapupunta sa San Vicente with 5 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Mornales for 3. No good. Save by Ofracio. But naubusan siya. At nakaapak sa linya. Ang bola mapupunta sa mga nakapink.
Multiple offensive rebounds on San Vicente but failed to convert the point. Sayang.
Pajares attacks. Swings the ball to Berwite. Dubs it up to Velasco. Velasco attacking Disquitado. And Disquitado final si Velasco. What an aggressive move, partner. Yun naman talaga dapat ang kailangan ng mga big man when they're inside the inside the paint. They must be aggressive in order for them to score easily.
Tama. And very consistent tong Vincents, no? They've been moving the ball around. I think all the players are able to touch it once in every run.
Tama ka dyan. What sky-high rebound for Malinaw and Bragais. Tama ka dyan. Good observation, partner, talaga. These pink guys talaga are distributing the ball well. Yun nga lang, yung mga first attempts nila hindi na pumapasok. Pero still, magandang tingnan talaga sa isang team. Yung kagaya ng ganyan, talagang they are looking for the open man. But good execution sana. But good, ano yan, nakalimutan ko. Yun na nga, sayang talaga. And maganda sana yung naging intention but bad execution yun. Ang sinasabi ko na better execution atin sa inyo ni Jenmar Bragais.
Tama. And I think they have to improve, no, their rebounds. Kasi yun yung naging problema. Or else, they have to secure every shot.
Yes, Napaw attacking the lane but he was tackled, foul, and went through to the line. And meron tayong first casualty o first timeout galing sa Team Vincents. And meron tayong update sa ating courtside reporter na si Miss Cassandra. Miss Cassandra, magandang hapon sa iyo.
Magandang hapon mga kasurog. You are watching Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte. I am Cassandra Saton, your courtside reporter for today's ball game. For our first game today, we are witnessing the battle between San Vicente versus Vinsons. Nakasungkit na nga ng unang panalo ang dalawang teams na maghaharap ngayong araw. Kaya naman, sino nga ba ang magtatagumpay sa larong ito? Ano nga ba ang mga preparasyon nila upang mabigyan ng magandang laro ang kalaban? Yan ay malalaman natin sa mga susunod pang kaganapan, kaya tutok lang dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Norte.
Alright. Thank you so much. And I think tama yung sabi ni Cassandra. No? Both teams are very confident to win their second game. Pero isa lang ang magwawagi dito. And for Vinsons, to reclaim their second glory, they have to improve. As I was saying a while ago, their rebounds. Kasi yun yung naging problema nila.
Yes, tama ka dyan. They must be aggressive. Ayan na, si Malinaw attacks but blocked by Velasco. Pero sabi ng ating magigiting na referees, tinamaan daw yung katawan and will troop to the line for 2. Ayan, nakikita natin ang mga nagagandahang dilag sa ating venue.
No, I think they are supporting some of our players.
Yes, oo. They're supporting siguro yung San Vicente. Vinsons kasi every time na makakashoot yung Vinsons talagang they are cheering. So maraming salamat po sa pagpunta sa aming venue and sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa aming liga.
Tama. And kung di naman kayo makakapunta again, meron tayong FB pages, Rep Zaldico at Ako Bicol Online TV. Meron din tayong YouTube channel, Ako Bicol Cup 2023.
This is so far the biggest lead ng San Vicente over Vinsons with a 8-point lead, partner, with 4 minutes sa ating laro. And Berwite attacking. Magandang pasa sana kay Nagera, but di nasalo ni Nagera ang bola. Dahil with 15 seconds remaining, Pajares inbounding. Gives the ball to Abanes with a crossover. Manes, what a shot, but pero andun pa rin. A sorry miss on the part of Nagera. Bragais is rushing. Bragais behind the back. Ofracio, medium range jumper again for 2.
Grabe, nakakatakot naman ito San Vicente. Very strong in both offense and the defense. So ano kayang gagawin ng Vinsons dito? Bragais is controlling the game under the rim.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Nagera with the offensive rebound, but he loses the ball. Nakuha ni Napa. Okay na. Abanes gives the ball to Pajares. Berwite, binigay. Misses the shot. Bragais again controlling the boards.
Again, good ball movement, pero hindi sigurado yung mga tira. So maybe nagwa-warm up pa ang Vinsons.
Desquitado using the glass. Misses the shot, but Malinaw secures the possession again. Bragais, 1-on-1 against Pajares, gives the ball to Ofracio. With 7 seconds remaining sa kanila shot clock, Bragais using the pick. Bragais crosses over, pull up 3. No good. Rebound ni Abanes. 3 pictures. Berwite skying high for 2.
And that's what they have to do. They have to run and gun and secure easy layups.
Yes, tama ka dyan because age-wise, lamang na lamang siguro itong Vinsons. Yan na si Bragais attacks, but natapik ni Berwite. And I guess San Vicente is calling for a timeout right now. Partner, as early as first quarter, talagang medyo nangangapa pa ang both teams. And sa tingin mo, ano dapat ang gawin nila in order for them, yung opensa nila para mag-ignite at tuloy-tuloy na?
I think si Vinsons, in order for them to lessen the ballooning gap of San Vicente in this first minutes of the first quarter, they have to strengthen the man inside because hindi nako-contest yung rebounds pag tumalon na si Bragais or else they have to secure kasi napakaganda ng ball movement nila, very consistent sila. It's such that hindi nila nasa-secure yung rebound for the next attempt. So yun, so baka effective yung mga quick fast breaks, run and gun. Kasi sabi mo nga, coach dyan, relatively mga bata itong Vinsons as compared to San Vicente.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Yun na nga yung stats na binigay sa akin ng ating statistician. Si Bragais with 3 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists. Kumbaga, he is doing it all right now pagdating sa San Vicente. Ayan na si Bragais. Yun na nga, ginawa pati pagtulak at natawagan ng foul si Bragais. Yun na nga, medyo good high-low play sana, but nahuli lang si Jenmar Bragais pushing off his defender.
Tama. Because of course, our referees, no, are elite referees. So, the best referees for the best players and for the best team, of course, no, in Bicol. Here we go. Vinsons once again passing the ball around.
A new guy, number 5, na si Chester Abordo. Ayan na, si Pajares with a 3-point bomb. And that is a much-needed score on the part of Vinsons talaga. Ayan na si Braga, number 26. Na si Mornales using the glass. Kanina ba yan, inaasin na partner yung board. Kaya ngayon, nagtagumpay na siya. Ayan na si Abanes. Kicks it out to Nagera. Short jumper.
And this is their bread and butter.
Yes.
Yung court awareness, where their teammates at.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Nag-uumpisa, they are attacking the basket and kicking it out to their open teammates. But there is Malinaw with the end one again, powering his way for 2 plus the foul. Grabe, para nakita mo naman kung gaano piniflex ni Malinaw ang kanyang mga muscles during his attack sa kabasket. So yun na, tingnan partner. Ayan na Malinaw with a strong drive. Binangga si Berwite. Yun na nga partner.
And good utilization of his body. And if you've noticed, no, Sir Jan, kanina pa inaatake ng San Vicente yung paint. No? They recognize na medyo mahina sa depensa sa loob itong Vinsons, kaya they're capitalizing on it.
And medyo maninipis ang Vinsons. Kaya si Abordo misses the shot. But there is Nagera. Bragais ahead to Ofracio for 2.
So it's a battle between the vanguards and the snipers. So sino magwawagi?
Yes, partner. 1-2 passing on the part of Vinsons. And na-convert kagad din na Nagera inside the paint. Blocked by Magana. But he was hacked. And mapupunta sa ating free throw line.
And that was a good challenge. No? Nagera, hindi siya nagpapatalo despite knowing ang tataas tumalon nitong mga San Vicente.
Tama ka dyan, pero si Nagera talaga collecting rebound. Siguro naka-4 na siya as of my count. Kaya coming off the bench, magandang spark tong si Nagera. Medyan, kaya sana tuloy-tuloy pa ang kanyang pinapakita sa ating first quarter.
Tama, and in the last outing, no, he converted those rebound into 6 or 7 points if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, tama. A new guy coming off the bench. Number 3 na si Troy Cassis on the part of Vinsons. I guess to add speed. Pero si Bragais is attacking the paint easily and scoring for 2.
Grabe naman talaga itong si Bragais.
Cassis gives the ball to Abanes. Abanes, what a pass, partner. No look pass. Ayun ang si Cassis attack. Gives the ball to Ibano with 9 seconds. Bragais steals the ball. And intercepted, pero ang bola mapupunta pa rin sa mga taga San Vicente.
And San Vicente has been reading their plays. No, kanina super effective nung passing. Ngayon, no, medyo nahuhuli na.
Yes, medyo nahuhuli na. Ayan na si Mornales. 1-on-1 against Abanes. Gives the ball to Jenmar Bragais. Bragais gives the ball to number 19 na si Dadese.
And here you go again, no, unstoppable itong mga players ng San Vicente when they entered the paint.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And now, this is so far the biggest lead sa ating laro with 30-17 with 20 seconds remaining sa ating laro, and a steal by Jenmar Bragais. And both teams are not yet in the penalty, so meron tayong sideline throw-in lang with 19 seconds ang nalalabi sa ating first quarter. The shot clock is off. Probably this will be the last shot of our quarter, pero tingnan natin kung anong gagawin ng San Vicente. And ang Bragais with an isolation. Bragais with 9 seconds remaining sa kanila shot clock. Bragais 1-on-1 against. What a pass, partner. Kaso hindi lang na-convert. A sorry miss on the part of Ryan Magana, and that ends our first quarter with a score of 30-17 in favor of San Vicente. What an exciting first quarter, partner.
Tama, very exciting. No, both teams are showing off their unique strategies in order to win the game. No, of course, Vinsons, you have to commend them for their ball movements as we've seen no, in the very first few minutes of the first quarter until the end. However, they have to secure every shot kasi yun yung naging problema nila. Hindi ganon kataas yung accuracy nila when it comes to their field goals. Kung hindi naman nila yung ma-adjust, of course, kasi wala namang 100% shot, they have to strengthen their offensive rebound, and yun yung nakita natin kay Nagera a while ago. No? At the side naman of San Vicente, no, you have to really commend. They are not throwing the ball from beyond the arc, but rather they've been pushing inside the paint because they know it's their strength, no? And it's the weakness of the Vinsons. Sabi nga nila, no, offense will win you the game, but a good defense will win you the championship. So yun yung nagiging problema ngayon ng Vinsons. Medyo kinakapapa nila yung depensa sa loob ng pintura.
Yes, tama pa. Tama ka dyan, partner. Medyo siguro pagdating kay Jenmar Bragais talagang feeling ko na sa starstruck sila dahil hindi nila binabox out na maayos. And yun na nga. And si Aragon collecting the rebound, gives the ball to Jenmar Bragais, and Bragais one-on-one against Cassis. Bragais with the move but misses the shot. Ayun na. Again, another turnover on the part of Vinsons.
Doon na nagmamadali.
Yan na si Cassis rushing with the block. Galing kay Aragon. Grabe, partner. Yan na si Bornales behind the back dribble. In and out dribble. Grabe naman yung partner. Gives the ball to Jenmar with 16 seconds remaining sa kanil shot clock. Bargais one-on-one kicks the ball to the DC Junior. The DC attacks. Lays it up for two.
And they are very consistent. No? Even there's an opportunity to shoot it from beyond the arc, they're still going to the paint.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na, si Abanes for three. Kaboom! And yun na nga, partner. Nabati natin ang opensa ng both teams now. Both offense ng teams talagang gumagana na. Bragais using the glass, misses the shot. Rebound ni number 5 na si Abordo. Abordo gives what a challenge by Aragon. And magandang hapon po sa ating butihing mayor ng San Vicente na si Mayor Joanne Ong. Thank you for watching, ma'am, and maraming salamat sa pagsuporta mo sa aming liga. And yun na nga, Ibana makes the first free throw, partner. Yun na nakakatuwa, partner. Yung mga VIPs and mga mayors na sumusuporta sa atin ngayon, talagang nakakataba ng puso dahil nandito sila para panoorin ang ating liga.
Tama, ang sarap niya, no? Nanonood yung mayor mo tapos lamang pa yung team nyo.
Tama ka dyan. Siguradong masarap ang snack after the game.
Tama.
Ayan na nga, si Magana misses the shot. Cassis Troy is ahead against Bornales.
Vincent still struggling.
Yes, Abanes one-on-one against Jenmar Bragais. Kicks the ball to number 12 na si Ibana for 3. Misses the shot.
And again, the rebound is on the side of San Vicente.
Yes, and another turnover, but there is Jenmar Bragais. Si Dadice securing the possession for San Vicente. Sayang, muntik na. Turnover na naman sana yon, but buti na lang. May mga players talaga tayo diving for the loose ball. Sila talagang know their role sa team. Kaya kudos yan sa mga role players na yan.
Tama, and ito yung kailangang improve ng San Vicente for them to recover. No, they've been expecting that the shot will be made, or maybe sobrang hirap lang talaga i-contest yung rebound because of the jumping abilities of San Vicente.
Yes, partner, kung napapansin mo sa ating venue, talaga medyo napupuno na. Parang kanina nga may bus na dumating, parang fiesta talaga. Ayan na, what a pass and a score for 2 kay Abordo. Speaking of fiesta, partner, batiin ko ang aking mahal na barangay ng Happy Fiesta sa Kawit East, Washington Drive. Pasensya na, wala kayong lingkod, pero ayan na si Jenmar Bragais. Hatid sa inyo ang tira niyan. Ayun na nga, Happy Fiesta sa inyo, Barangay Kawit East, Washington Drive. And si Jomar Santos, boss, magandang hapon sa iyo. Nanonood daw siya ng laro. Pasel ka dito. And si Tikboy Del Rosario, magandang hapon sa iyo, idol. Yan na si Abana. Gives the ball to Sherwin Nemi for 3. Kaboom! Yun na nga, partner. Over the outstretched arms pa yun, partner. Pero still, na-convert niya yung 3-point shot.
Tama, and I think kailangan nila yung i-maximize yung mga long-range shots nila para makahabol.
Yes, tama ka. Bragais misses the shot. Cassis Troy collects the rebound. Ayan na si Ibana. What a drop pass kay Napa. Ay Rada. scores for 2.
And it's the use of the other players, no? Good change yung ginawa ng ating coach. Kasi unexpected mo kung saan titira yung mga players ng Vinsons ngayon.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Nung nagpalit sila ng mga players talaga, naging aggressive na ang Vincent side. So talagang magandang substitution and magandang adjustments ng mga coach ng Vincents.
Tama. And tingnan natin, no, kung makakahabol sila because they've already closed the gap, no, into 6 points. So konti na lang makakahabol na ang Vincents.
Ayan na si Yanesa. Gives the ball to Magana. Magana swings the ball for Pedregosa. Misses the shot. Ayan na si Berwite ahead. Gives the ball to Sherwin Nemi. Yun na pinatalbog ang bola. But ang bola mapupunta sa mga taga San Vicente. Grabe, partner. Bumilis at naging maganda ang presence ng Vincents pagdating sa opensa. Ayan na.
Tama. Pati depensa.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Rada. Gives the ball to Nemi for 2. Misses the shot. Yanesa secures the ball. Gives the ball to Magais. Sidestepping. Misses the shot. And medyo madulas.
Ito, na-force nang tumira yung San Vicente sa labas.
Pedregosa lobs it up. Jenmar Bragais with 9 seconds remaining. Misses the 3-point bomb. Berwite. At medyo nakaapak ang size 13 na pa ni Berwite na bigay ng ating butihing congressman na si Congressman Saldico at ng ako Bicol Party List. Yan, partner, sinasabi natin, paulit-ulit natin sinasabi na libre ang sapatos na binigay, yung jersey, and authentic at legit yung mga sapatos na binigay.
Tama. And more importantly, no, Sir Zan, libre yung admission.
Yes,
no,
tama ka dyan.
sa panonood ng basketball. And Sir Jan, no, going back to the game, kung makikita mo, na-force na ng Vincents yung San Vicente na tumira sa labas. Meaning, nire-recognize ng San Vicente yung strength ng depensa ngayon ng Vincents.
Tama ka dyan, House. Yan, as they force again another turnover on the part of San Vicente. Grabe, partner, tama ka dyan. Good observation. Talagang yung depensa, medyo
medyo na-improve na. And with that, no, puntahan muna natin si Cass kasama ang mayor ng San Vicente. Cass, the floor is yours.
Magandang hapon, Camarines Norte. Right now, we are honored to be able to speak with the Mayor of San Vicente, Mayor Joanna Ong. Mayor, magandang hapon po. Kumusta po kayo?
Magandang hapon. Okay naman.
Ayan, buti naman po, Mayor. Mayor, how does it feel that there are brave souls who will represent San Vicente in this big basketball league? Ano po bang pakiramdam nyo?
I'm very proud and happy sa aming grupo and they are very much cooperative and go lang talaga San Vicente ngayon.
Ayan, Mayor, we are currently live po. Baka may gusto po kayong batiin o pasalamatan. Go ahead po. This is your chance.
Unang-una nagpapasalamat ako sa Ako Bicol and especially to Congressman Ko for this opportunity na binigay sa San Vicente and all the municipalities in Camarines Norte. And this is a very big event. And nakakatuwa kasi lahat nagpa-participate and this is for everybody to enjoy and syempre for sportsmanship.
Ayan, thank you very much po, Mayor, and we are very honored to see you here watching your team. Thank you very much po and good luck to your team. Thank you po. That's the latest update from the courtside. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Cassandra. No, napakagandang message ni Mayor. It's not just all about the battle between municipalities, but rather to bring enjoyment to the people of Camarines Norte.
tama. Yun naman talaga importante, sabi namin, partner. Basketball talaga number 1 yan pagdating sa puso ng mga Pinoy. Pero syempre, yung excitement at saya na naibibigay ng basketball sa bawat isa, talagang very evident yan. So yan na, back to our game. Yan na, San Vicente is now rushing. Ofracio is ahead. Ofracio attacks. Gives the ball to Disquitado with the fake. Ofracio again using the glass. Misses the shot. But there is number 22 na si Pedregosa. And yun si Ofracio being the lone bright spot pagdating sa opensa ng San Vicente dahil wala ngayon ang kanilang leading scorer na si Jenmar Bargay sa loob ng court.
And with that, Vincents trying to look for revenge. Passing the ball from the outside.
Nemi for 3, misses the shot. Nakalawit, rebound. Grabe yung partner, di malinaw.
Showing his dominance there.
Yes, kanina pa yan talaga, partner. Talaga when it comes sa rebound, talaga he is lording it out. Pedregosa gives the ball to Disquitado, but there is Nemi. Pedregosa, what a steal and what a defense on the part of this young kid na si Nemi pagdating doon kay Pedregosa.
Tama. And you have to comment as well na that foul, recognizing that is they are outnumbered and medyo may iwan siya doon, no? So it was a good foul to stop, no, an easy 2 points or probably a 3-point attempt.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Pero tingnan natin, may nire-review ng ating mga game officials kung ano ang maitatawag dahil si Pedregosa talagang hindi na sa bola yung kanyang sadya kanina, medyo sa katawan na. So tingnan natin kung ano magiging hatol ng ating magigiting na referees.
And of course, that replay is brought to you by IMBC.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Headed by Direk Christian Calleja and si Ma'am Russell, si Sir RJ. Magandang
And yun na nga, partner, na hatulan na ng unsportsmanlike foul.
Yun na nga, unsportsmanlike foul on the part. And I guess 2 shots will be awarded to Nemi. Plus ball possession, malaking bagay kasi talagang but I saw remiss on the part of Nemi. Yun na nga, sabi nga, very vital ang scoring pagdating sa mga free throws dahil at the end game talaga medyo nagmamatter yung mga free throws na namimintis nila during first half.
I remember one game, no, very crucial free throws yung mga na-miss ng isang team. So at the end of the game, pinatira sila ng coach, no, ng I think tigsa-sampung free throws.
Medyo may instance na rin ako na narinig na gano'n na talagang most of their practices talaga free throws lang yung natupag nila, not yung mga set plays nila. Ayan, Nemi attacking the paint, sidestepping, and he is again will troop to the line for 2.
And that's a good development on the side of Vinsons as they are slowly but surely, you know, recovering from the advantage that has been taken from them by San Vicente in the early quarter of the game.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Especially itong si Nemi Sherwin talaga being aggressive, coming off the bench. Talagang pagpasok niya talagang both on offense and defense talaga nag-excel pagdating sa Vinsons.
And Nemi securing his first one. And he sinks 2 free throws.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Medyo kanina kalawang pa at malamig pa kaya minintis yung free throws. Ngayon at pinawisan na at medyo naka-adjust na. So pasok na yan. Ayan na si Bornales crossing the half-court line against Nemi. Gives the ball to Ofracio. Looking for his teammates. Gives the ball to Disquitado at the post. With 12 seconds remaining sa kanila shot clock, Disquitado loses the ball and the ball will go to Vinsons.
And this game is getting interesting now as there are only 4 points on the advantage of San Vicente.
Yes, inunti-unti partner ng Vinsons the second quarter. What a passing sana on the part of Vinsons, but nabitawan ni Velasco ang bola and he was fouled. He committed a turnover and forces him to foul his defender.
Tama, grabe. Top-notch ang defense din itong San Vicente. You have to commend them for that steal and recognition of the pass that is coming.
Yes, and si Bornales gives the ball to Malinao with 17 seconds remaining sa ating game clock, shot clock. Bornales, one-on-one against Abanes. And si Ofracio, medium range jumper, misses the shot. Rebound na number 7 na si Cyrus Pajares. Pajares is rushing. Taps the ball to Abanes. Pero natapik ni Nestor Aragon and ang bola mapupunta pa rin sa mga naka-Vinsons.
Tama, and dito mo mararamdaman yung presence ng isang Bragais.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Velasco with offensive rebound. Velasco attacks, kicks the ball to Berruite. Medium range jumper. No good. Rebound by Disquitado.
Nung nawala si Bragais, nakaka-rebound na itong mga Vinsons.
Yes, sayang. A costly turnover on the part of number 3 na si Nestor Aragon. Sayang, all alone na sana siya for an easy 2 but nabitawan niya yung bola. Pero narinig na tayo, yan na si Janmar Bragais. He is inserted in the lineup ng coach ng San Vicente. Siguro dahil talagang nakadikit na at nahabol na ng sa Vinsons sa kanilang lamang. What a crossover plus the floater galing kay Abanes. Ito si Abanes partner. One thing I've noticed to this guy, talagang relax na relax lang siya pagdating sa loob ng court. Yung mga crossover niya, hindi masyado shifty pero very effective pagdating sa loob ng court.
Tama, kumbaga chill guy ng basketball.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Kumbaga kaliwete, steady. Yun na, sabi nga nila, rinig-rinig ko lang na yung mga kaliwete talaga daw, mahirap bantayan pagdating dito sa ating laro.
Tawa ng mga southpaw.
Yes, southpaw talaga. Speaking of southpaw, batiin ko aking kaibigan na si George at Twitter na southpaw din, kaliwete. Nanonood, magandang hapon po sa inyo. Ayan na, ang boksingerong katawan. What a pasana ni Jenmar Bragais kay Malinaw, but Bragais was fouled and Vincent is now in the penalty, so Jenmar Bragais will be tested sa ating foul line and will throw to the line for two.
Tama, but nonetheless, no, this has been a good run for Vincents. No, the first 8 minutes of the second quarter, they managed to lessen the gap into 2 points. But ito na naman, no, si Bragais, tingnan natin if his presence will again turn the table around and no, let San Vicente increase their lead once again.
Yes,
Tingnan natin.
Bragais makes the second free throw and the score is 39-35 with 2 minutes and 33 seconds remaining sa ating laro. Yan na si Abanes attacking with the floater, using the glass but misses the shot. Pare secure the rebound with 10 seconds remaining. Kicks it out to Berwite. Pajares attacks with the floater, using the glass, misses the shot. Nakakuha ni Malinaw ang bola. And si Bornales is ahead. Gives the ball to Bragais. Bragais attacks. Drops it up to Ofrecio for two. Grabe si Christopher Ofrecio.
At the right place at the right time.
Yes, yan na si Abordo. Gives the ball to Abanes with a fake. Strip. Mornales is ahead. Gives the ball to Ofrecio, using the glass for two.
A force to be reckoned with ang isang Ofrecio.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. Yun ang mga player na alam mo hindi siya well-guarded pero very effective din pagdating sa loob ng court. Ayan na si Abanes. Abanes crosses over. Using the glass, misses the shot again. Bornales is rushing. Jenmar Bragais attacks, flies, and scores for two.
The unstoppable Bragais.
Ayan na si Bragais again. Bragais gives the ball to Ofracio. Makes the basket for San Vicente. And napatawag ng timeout ang Vincents with that 6-0 run on the part of San Vicente.
Grabe naman yun. Back-to-back points ng isang Christopher Ofracio.
Pero yun na nga partner ang sinasabi ko kanina na yung notice na talagang once Jenmar Bragais is inside the court, talagang he is pushing the face. Talagang tumakbo at tatakbo talaga. And yun na nga, and he is looking for his teammates. Yun ang kagandahan doon.
Tama. And minsan, no, yun yung hindi natin napapansin. Usually, we only focus on the scorer, no, the man who creates points for his team without realizing the presence of the big man or the highest jumper of the team. No, grabe yung control ng isang Bragais sa board at sa rim.
Tama. Jenmar Bragais is do it all pagdating sa San Vicente right now. Talagang both on offense and on defense. Talagang, and he's cheering his teammates na go on, push the pace. Kaya talagang hindi sayang ang pagpunta ng ating guest player na si Jenmar Bragais sa San Vicente.
Tama. And dahil sa kanyang effective strategies, no, nabuboost yung moral ng kanyang mga kampe. Kaya si Morales, makikita mo, naggrabe din yung rebound. Si Ofracio, no, securing every points, no, mga pasa na binibigay sa kanya.
Abordo gives the ball to Abanes. Abanes attacks. Gives the ball to Pajares for 3. Misses the shot. Rebound ni Aragon. Outlets to Jenmar Bragais. All alone for 2.
Bragais teleporting from one court to another.
Tama ka dyan. Ayan na nga, si Berwite. Gives the ball to Pajares. Block by Malinaw. Ayan na si Bornales rushing. Bornales attacks. Gives the ball to Malinaw and scores for 2.
Parang naipapasa ni Bragais yung spirit sa kanyang mga teammate.
Oh, tama dyan. Talagang he is very contagious right now. Ayan na. Berwite waiting for his teammates with 10 seconds remaining. Abanes for 3. No good. Rebound. Mapupunta. Same ball. With 8.7 seconds remaining sa ating first half. The shot clock is off. Abordo, steal by Jenmar Bragais. Bragais is rushing. 5 seconds. Lobs it up to Malinaw. And ilista mo na yan sa ating top 10 plays of the week. And that ends our first half with that alley-oop galing kay Bragais up to Malinaw, partner. What a first half, partner. Ano masasabi mo?
Grabe, partner. Kanina pa natin pinupuri si Bragais, no? In the last 2 minutes of the game, ipinasok siya Vincents were able to close the gap into 2 points. At ito, lumubo ng 18 points yung Kalamangan when Bragais entered once again. So magbabalik po kami for our exciting third quarter later on.
Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dako laon ang pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaon ng tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Papasalamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Kayo nakakatabang sa miya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Ingat sa gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan. Mahigit isang dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang digdi sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaon ng tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Papasalamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Kayo nakakatabang sa miya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Dinat sa gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Dinat sa gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, kadakulan ang tabang di sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
And we are back sa ating laro with a score of 53-35 in favor of San Vicente. What an exciting first half. Medyo nagkatalo lang dun sa huling bagya, huling yugto ng ating second quarter. Kaya medyo umalago at nakalamang ang San Vicente with the likes of the streaky guard na si Ofracio and si Jenmar Bragais. Talaga yun ang nag-ignite ng offensa pagdating sa San Vicente.
Tama, partner, no? And tingnan natin because Vinsons have shown us that they are capable of closing the gap. No, and eto sa aking kamay, coach dyan, Sir dyan, ang statistics, very good because well distributed ang points sa team ng Vinsons kay Pajares, kay Nemi at kay Abanes, scoring 6 and 5 points. Sa team naman ng San Vicente, we have Bragais now with a staggering 11 points and Ofracio with 14 points and Malinao with 15 points. So they are all contributing to their team's scoring.
Ayan na, another intercepted. Berwite attacks using the glass for 2. Grabe ang haba. Ayan na si Jenmar Bragais all alone with the lefty layup. And muntik nang makomplete ang 3-point play, but he will troop to the line for our charity stripe and masusubukan ulit ang shooting skills pagdating sa free throw line ni Bragais.
Tama, ito yung mukhang mahirap i-contest. Pag pinabayaan mo, secure yung 2 points. Pag sinabayan mo naman, mafa-foul ka.
Yes, kaya talagang medyo hindi mahirap talaga bantayan tong si Jenmar Bragais.
Medyo nahihirapan silang i-control itong malikot na Bragais. No? All-rounder. Imagine, aside from 11 points, Sir John, he got 3 rebounds, 5 assists, and 2 steals. No, multifaceted player, you may call him. No, an all-rounder ika nga sa laro ng basketball.
All-rounder talaga. And pagdating sa bench, nakita ko he's cheering up his teammates. Talagang all-in na ang ating guest player ng San Vicente na si Jenmar Bragais.
Tama, and batiin ko na rin na coach dyan, no, si Coach Mark Vasquez, coach ng Ateneo de Naga University, no, he's watching in Camarines Sur.
Ay, magandang hapon sa Coach Mark. Coach Mark, si Mr. 110% na natuto sa kanya. Ayan na si Abordo. Gives the ball to what a strip by Malinao. Bragais is ahead. Bragais nadulas and natawagan ng steps.
Yan, sabi mo nga niyan, coach dyan, dancing in the wrong song.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Yan ang sinapaw. Medyo nangigilang at naagawan ni Bornales, pero still, buti na lang ang possession mapupunta sa mga taga-Vinsons. Pajares gives the ball to Abanes with 17 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. What a ball movement display on the part of Vinsons, but misses the shot again. Malinao skying high for that rebound.
Mukhang nahirapan silang i-secure yung mga puntos.
Ayan na si Ofracio with that piso-piso shot. Medyo nagbintis siya ngayon. Abanes one-on-one against Bragais. Swings the ball to Pajares. Lobs it off to Napaw. Ayan na. Medyo pinersa. Pero na-recover pa rin nila ang bola. Pajares for 3. Kaboom!
Ito na, kumukonekta na paunti-unti ang mga tira ng Vinsons.
Yes, na kanina medyo finurse lang ni Napaw. But still, nakuha nila yung possession. With 10 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock, Bornilla gives the ball to Ofracio in the middle and scores against Napaw.
San Vicente is moving the ball around din.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Finding their open teammates. And yun na nga, panaka-anakang scoring, hindi masyado napapansin. Pero very effective itong si Ofracio when he's inside the court. Berwite defended by Jenmar Bragais. Intercepted ang bola pa rin mapupunta sa mga naka-pink jerseys.
Let's see if they can convert it to a points with 8 seconds remaining.
Pajares for 3 again. No good. Rebound. Nakuha ni Malinao. And na si Bornales. Outlets to Ofracio. Block. Pero nakuha ni Bornales ang bola. Gives the ball to Malinao. Flies. Dipsy-doo! Grabe naman yun.
Very skillful. Kahit maliit lang.
Yes, and again si Malinao with the steal. Gives the ball to Bernales. Outlets to Ofracio. Ofracio attacks. Lobs it up to number 11 na si Cabanela. And scores for 2. Abanes gives the ball to Berwite. What a pass kay Napaw. With a floater, misses the shot. Berwite again gives the ball to his Jenmar Bragais. forcing his way inside and scores for 2. And that is not a good sign on the part of Vincent talaga. Turnover after turnover that resulted to a 2 points in a fast break pagdating sa San Vicente.
Tama, and I think you have to really commend the team of San Vicente because all their players can score. Grabe.
Yes.
Kitang-kita mo naman kanina, partner, eto si Malinaw with his exhibition, knowing that he's not blessed with that height advantage.
Umupo sa ere, grabe naman yan. It reminds me of my friend na umuupo din sa ere na si Kevin Yutan na talagang high leaping at napakabilis pagdating sa loob ng court.
Tama, no? Maybe because they are wearing the Ako Bicol shoes.
Yes, tama ka dyan, na Ako Bicol shoes na nabigay sa atin ni Congressman Saldi ko at ng Ako Bicol Party List.
Tama, kaya sila nakakalipad. No, but going back, no, grabe yung parang leadership na pinapakita dito ni Bragais to the point na every member of his team is excelling.
Tama ka dyan. And kanina nakita ko, partner, binubulungan niya pa yung mga teammates niya na to apply pressure defense. Kaya still, tingnan mo naman 100% na yung ginagawa niya. But still, pagdating sa pag-motivate pa sa kanyang mga teammates, talagang tuloy-tuloy pa.
Tama. Basketball is a team sport. Ika nga.
3-point shot, ibititawan ni Ibana but misses the shot. Ayan na naman si Malinaw with that rebound. Bornilla, 1-on-1 against Casis. Gives the ball to Malinaw. Finds Jenmar Bragais. Bragais attacks and using the glass. But sabi ng ating mga referees na nasa baba pa siya nung final.
It's a few steps behind kaya
Yes.
hindi kumonekta.
Medyo, pero yung first step talaga ni Jenmar Bragais medyo bilis talaga. So you have to defend Jenmar Bragais with a sticky defense. Ayan si Bragais against Casis, attacking, finger roll, misses the shot, but there is Bragais again.
Cleaning up his own mess.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Mama move talaga. Kumbaga minamama talaga ni Jenmar to. Lahat ng players yan na si Casis with that mama move again. Malinaw. Outlets to Bragais and medyo sumobra. And yun na nga. Sabay hingang malalim si Jenmar.
The hope for Vincent here is to exhaust the energy of Bragais pero parang hindi ito mapapagod.
Tama ka dyan. Tama ka dyan. And tingnan mo na talagang nagbe-pressure defense pa to si Jenmar. So talagang sabi nga nila hindi mo masastop ang isang offensive player but you only hope to contain them talaga.
Tama.
And ayan na si Nemi. Gives the ball to Ibana. Berwite with 13 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Hesitation move. But ayan na si Bornales. 3 against 1. Lobs it up to Jenmar. Sa ilalim. Ofracio. No good. Bragais again inside. And scores for 2.
And I wonder, bakit hindi pa nagba-box in 1 itong Vincents to control Bragais.
Tama ka dyan. And a short jumper on the part of Nagera. Pero partner, Jenmar Bragais is signaling his coach na to be sub. Talagang because I guess Jenmar Bragais, kondisyon to ngayon. But the weather here talaga medyo questionable. Kaya medyo talagang manghihina at manghihina nga. Pero still, yan kasi Jenmar with the ball. Jenmar Bragais with the spin. And he was trapped and forces a turnover. Si Casis.
And nagre-request talaga si Bragais na palitan.
And he was replaced by number 3 na si Nestor Aragon. Partner, this is the biggest lead so far with 65-42 with 4 minutes remaining sa ating third quarter. Casis, top of the key, thinking 3 against Bornales. Casis, 1-on-1. Pull-up jumper. Pasok yan.
Let's see if Vincents can capitalize now on the absence of Bragais inside the court.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging adjustment. But still, nandyan pa si Ofracio and si Bornilla. Sabi ni Bornales talaga, sige, pahinga ka dyan, partner. Ako naman ang kakamada pagdating sa scoring.
Grabe. He left leaders inside the court as well.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And si Casis, 1-on-1 against Ofracio. Swings the ball to Nemi. To Nagera. Mintis, nakuha ni Aragon. Bornales ahead, 1-on-1 against Ibana. In and out dribble. Fake number 11. Kay Cabanela, misses the shot, but there is Berwite securing the rebound.
Vinsons are now getting the ball under the rim.
What a pass by Cassis, but medyo good offense pero na-foul si number 12 na si Ibana ni Cabales.
Ito na, parang automatic yung switch on ng strategy ng Vinsons. The moment na lumabas si Bragais, they've been securing the rebounds and attacking the paint.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Medyo nakuha kagad ni Berwite yung defensive rebound kanina sa ilalim. Kaya nakapag-push sila ng pace and yun na nga, atake. And yun na nga, 2 out of 2 from the free throw line sa Vinsons. That is a good sign for them, partner.
Tama. Tingnan natin if this development will be on their favor.
And Bornales against a smaller Nemi with a crossover. Gives the ball to Ofracio. Piso shot. And makes the bucket for San Vicente.
Vinsons once again looking for an open spot.
Ibana.
With 5 seconds remaining, they've been attacking the paint, losing the ball, and throw it at the last possible second.
What a bad pass on the part of Berwite. Dapat he must be aware pagdating sa shot clock talaga. So, yun, it's a case of pwede na itira. But he opted to pass, but naputukan sila ng 24-second shot clock violation.
A sorry mistake on their side. Now, they have to utilize this time kasi later on, babalik na naman si Bragais.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Malinaw. Gives the ball to Ofracio with 8 seconds remaining. Lobs it up to Malinaw, but misses the shot.
Napagandang nulok pa sana yun.
Nemi, what a pass, but there is Ofracio to intercept and force a turnover.
And with that, the lead is ballooning already. So that's, I think, 24 points.
Tama ka dyan. Di lang natin napansin masyado, but the lead niya is ballooning right now. Bornales is waiting for his teammates. Gives the ball to his teammates na si Cabanela, but loses the ball. Nemi is rushing. Kicks it out. Cassis, medium range jumper, and scores for 2. Itong si Cassis coming off the bench, very steady din partner. Kumbaga, contributing both on offense and defense. And sa offense din, he is bringing down the ball, helping itong si Nemi doon sa mga good defenders ng San Vicente.
Tama, and he's hugging really the players para secured na hindi makakalusot kagaya nito.
What a backdoor play sana ni Malinaw. But di lang na-convert. Ayan na si Nemi. Yan, using the glass. But misses the shot, crosses over ni Nemi. Loses the ball. Bernales against Cassis. Bornales gives the ball. Ofracio. Piso jumper for 2.
That's his favorite spot.
Yes, partner, a very orthodox shot. Pero pasok pa din. Berwite behind the back. Gives the ball to Ibana. Well defended ni Cabanela. Pero napuntos pa rin.
Good points on pointing system on both sides. Mukhang nahirapan ng Vinsons to capitalize on the absence of Bragais because he left a mark on his teammates.
3-point bomb, binitawan ni Bornales. But there is Malinaw again, powering his way for 2. Grabe partner si Malinaw talaga, imposing his will inside pagdating sa mga rebounds. And yan si Cassis with a short jumper again. Misses the shot. Malinaw skying high, but there is Ofracio all alone for 2. Right now, San Vicente is in a party right now, partner. Controlling the boards, rushing sa mga fast breaks, and yun na nga, lamang na sila yun with 26-point lead.
Tama, but still, there's a chance, Kahapon nga, labo, lamang na sila, nalamangan sila ng 25 points, pero nahabol nila.
Yes, partner. Di imposible sa liga natin to dahil alam naman natin these players are top caliber players pagdating sa kanilang mga cities and municipalities. So sigurado may mga ibubuga ang mga players dito.
Tama. So there's a chance.
Yan na si Ofracio. Misses the shot. Ibana secures the rebound. Nakakuha ni Malinaw. And that ends our third quarter with the score of 76-52 in favor of San Vicente.
Ayan, mukhang though, no, we've been commending the ball movements of Vinsons, and we're hoping that they will come back, no, on the final quarter. I think it will be very, very difficult. No, kasi I think nakapagpahinga na ang isang Bragais.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Medyo it's a case of, medyo inaalat lang kasi partner kasi good execution naman on the part of Vinsons, but talagang hindi lang nila nako-convert o naipapasok ka nilang mga tira. And tama ka dyan, good observation. Babalik na dyan for sure itong si Do It All guy na si Jenmar Bragais for San Vicente.
Tama, napakagandang nickname. Do It All guy.
Oo, talaga partner. Pagdating sa offense at defense, siguro kung gabi ginawa ang larong to, baka hindi napalitan to.
Oo nga.
Air partner, so take a look some highlights partner ng team ang pinapakita natin na hindi ni Jenmar Bragais.
Tira niya na, rebound niya pa.
Yes, yun na. Pero
tiningal partner.
yes, pero yun na nga partner, yun na nga, good size crowd ang meron tayo sa ating venue right now. Unti-unti nang napupuno dahil meron pa tayong dalawang laro na hinanda sa inyong araw na ito. The second game will be Mercedes versus Talisay, and the third game is the home team, si Basud versus the San Lorenzo Ruiz. So pakaabangan natin, and punta na kayo dito sa ating venue para ma-witness nyo kung paano i-showcase ng mga taga Camarines Norte ang kanilang lakas at galing pagdating sa basketball.
Tama, no? Because our court is already half full. So kung yung makasecure na magandang spot at makakita ng live yung bakbakan ng Basud versus San Lorenzo, might as well, no, go now para hindi kayo maubusan ng upuan.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Abanes now inserted in the lineup. Gives the ball to Pajares. Pajares with a short jumper. Buket. Ito partner ang missing link pagdating sa Vinson. Si Pajares in Abanes talaga kulang pagdating sa scoring. And now, ang ating mga leading scorer so far sa ating laro, si Nemi with 8 points on the side of San Vicente, Pajares with 9, and Berwite with 6. And on the part of San Vicente, grabe partner, ay whopping 22 points on Christopher Ofracio. Partner, this is just the fourth quarter ha. And ayun na nga, with that 3-point bomb as Jenmar Bragais, and completing the scoring for San Vicente is Saturnino Malinao with 19 and 8 apiece.
Grabe, double-digit statistics for 2 or 3 players of both teams, or San Vicente rather.
Yes, yung Vinsons naman partner, well distributed ang scoring, but kulang pa rin. Ayan na, I said, si Braga is blocked by Berwite, but there is Aragon with the shot. Ayan na si Abanes, gives the ball to Pajares for 3, no good. Nakuha ni Abanes ang bola, gives the ball to Velasco. Velasco attacks, pounding his way in, and he was stuck and fouled and trooped to the line for 2.
Mukhang nahihirapan pang kapain ng Vinsons itong court, no, after playing here for 3 quarters already. So yun yung I think naging problem nila, no, because they have been attempting several 3-point shots, even midway and long jumpers, pero hindi talaga kumukonekta. So madaming missed, so mababa yung field goals nila in and out the line.
Yes, Velasco misses the second one. Bragais again with the board, pointing to his teammates. Gives the ball to Aragon against Abordo. Dedase Jr. with a pull-up jumper, misses the shot. And si Velasco is rushing. Velasco attacks, drops it up, but misses the shot. But there is number 26 na si Abanes, securing the possession. Inabitawan ng bola ni Ricky Rada. Sayang, partner.
But still, they have the ball possession.
And Velasco pounding his way in with the spin. Misses the shot. Desquitado. Rebounds. Ayan na si number 34 na si Eric Rubio. Attacks. Drops it up to Aragon and scores for 2. Right now, partner, Jenmar Bragais pala has 20 points, 7 rebounds, 5 assists, and 3 steals. This guy talaga is a do-it-all guy. Ayan na naman si Bragais.
A jack of all trades.
Bragais against Abanes. With 15 seconds, gives the ball to Dedase, attacks with a sidestep, and he was called.
And yung mapapansin mo, Sir John, no, medyo confident na ang coach ng San Vicente that this game is in their hand kasi pinapasok niya na yung
Yes.
relatively older na mga players.
And then yung mga third stringers medyo binigyan na ng chance. And I guess, partner, this is the chance not just for San Vicente but on the teams na naglalaro, especially sa pagdating sa basketball, na once you're given opportunity to be inserted in the lineup, so kailangan talaga magpakita ka para ma-earn mo yung respect ng coach and ma-earn mo yung minutes, and sa susunod eventually gagamitin ka sa mga susunod na laro.
Tama, and I think nakapakinggan ka, Sir John, ni Dedase Jr.
Yes.
After throwing that magnificent shot.
Yan na si Pajares, loves it off to number 5 na si Chester Abordo. Yun na nga, partner, sabi nga ang minutes talaga earn not given, so you have to earn your minutes. Speaking of earning his minutes, yan na si Jenmar with the lefty layup but misses the shot. Tip in on the part of Nestor Aragon. Velasco attacks, gives the ball to Rada, up and under move.
They are maximizing talaga the minutes that they are given. So Aragon once again with the ball.
Ayan na si Rubio. Rubio, blocked by Velasco.
The crowd of Vincent's goes wild after witnessing that monstrous block.
Yes, partner. Velasco means business right now despite the lead ng kanyang kalaban. Pero si Jenmar, speaking of business, this is business for Jenmar Bragais.
Unstoppable. Itong isang Bragais.
And Pajares, step back three. No good. Medyo yung body language ng Vincent's right now, medyo sumusuko na. Pero but still, it's anybody's ball game right now, partner. Kumbaga, hindi man nila makuha yung panalo ngayon. But still, yung composure and kumpiyansa na mahahatid nila sa kanilang susunod na laro, dapat nandun pa rin yung intensity.
Tama. Because of course, this is a good experience for them as well. Facing off at their second outing, a very, very strong team. With the likes of, with the players like Bragais,
wala pa dyan si Leon Horda, partner. Kaya talagang mahirap kalabanin ng isang San Vicente. And I've seen the lineup. And nandito sa San Vicente, one of the assistant coaches, si Coach Momo pala, is in the lineup. So talagang good addition pagdating sa coaching ng San Vicente. Tama, San Vicente.
So hindi lang pala to all-star players, all-star coaches din. Ayan naman pala.
Yes, yun na nga. Mabalik tayo sa ating laro. Sayang kanina, hindi lang nakapag-adjust talaga ng mabilisan itong Vincent's right now. And yun na nga, maraming salamat. May nagbigay ng milk tea. Sino kaya?
Sana all.
Hati na lang tayo, sir. Hati tayong tatlo.
Pero yan, good recognition on the coach of Vincent's, knowing na medyo dispirited na ang players nila. He called for a timeout to regroup.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Yun naman. It is a good learning experience kasi this is just the first loss of our tournament. So talagang medyo magiging adjustments. Ayan na, what a shot by Dedase. Cassis is ahead, gives the ball to Ricky Rada. Rada momentarily loses the ball. Velasco inside the paint and hammered by number 0 na si Ryan Magana. And Velasco is in the charity stripe.
And I think good yung timeout na itinawag na coach ng Vincent si Sir Erwin Jimenez, kasi medyo na-motivate yung mga players ng Vincent. Nakita naman natin sa last run nila, they're very aggressive in attacking the paint.
Yes. Pero si Velasco being the lone bright spot pagdating dito sa Vincent's, very consistent pagdating kahit yung first quarter, siya talaga yung lumalaban sa loob with the likes of Bragais, Magana. Talagang siya lang. But still, medyo kinapos. Yan na si Bragais at the post against Napaw.
And I think nagkaroon ng konting lambingan.
Yes. Pero kudos to Napaw for standing his ground against the much taller and much bigger and heftier na si Jenmar Bragais.
Tama. Puso ng isang basketballistang Pinoy.
Ayan na si Dedase with the fake short jumper and scores for 2. Much to the delight of the fans there. Siguro mga kapamilya na yun. And they are very happy seeing their relative na si Dedase scores a jumper.
There's a foul called on a team of San Vicente. So yan, a timeout has been called by Team San Vicente. No, maybe the team would remind them not to lax and chill because of course bilog ang bola and baka Vinsons will surprise them with consecutive attacks.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And syempre kung hindi man makuha ng Vinsons yung W, but still on the part of San Vicente, they must be aggressive in order for them yung kumpiyansa nila madala nila sa susunod na laro. Kasi minsan talaga pag medyo nananamlay ka pagdating dun sa susunod na laro, medyo iba yung pinapakita nyo.
Tama, no? And for Vinsons naman, very crucial that they have to add more points on this game kasi minsan, Sir John, may mga nagtatay and ang binabasehan natin yung average points nila per game. So they really have to give their best and that's why Velasco secured that floater.
Very good. That is a good observation, partner. Yan coming off a timeout. Yun ang maganda. Well-executed play on the part of Vinsons despite the lead pero still, namamanage pa rin nila talaga to set a play and put up a good offense. Yan si Cassis rushing, loses the ball and he was hacked. And ang bola mapupunta pa rin sa mga taga San Vicente. No, partner. Cassis was fouled in the act of shooting so will troop to the line for 2.
Tama. And with that, in the first 5 minutes, 5 na yung team foul ng San Vicente while on the sides of Vinsons, they've been playing it very clean. Wala pang foul on the 4th quarter. So this is a good chance for them to secure points in every foul opportunity.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Pero the time is not on their side. So they have to rush and play pressure defense. But ang bola ngayon nandito na kay Jenmar Bragais. Pedregosa misses the shot pero secures the rebound. Binigay kay Ryan Magana. Ayan na si Cassis. 1-on-1 against Pedregosa. Gives the ball to number 25 na si Ronel Napao. Velasco. What a touch pass on the part of Vinsons. Partner, ito sinasabi natin. Maganda mag-execute ng play ang Vinsons. Nagkakataon lang talaga yung ibang plays nila talagang hindi lang nila makonvert. What a crossover by Jenmar Bragais. And an out dribble. Ayan na another turnover. Yun ang pumapatay and talagang nakakatalo ngayon sa Vinsons right now. Their turnovers are killing them right now.
Tama. I think they're killing the time now because they are relatively on the lead. They have rather an insurmountable lead.
Yes, yun na. And Yanesa adds his points sa ating scoring book and has a chance to complete a 3-point play. And I guess yun na, pinagpahinga ng partner. Nakita ko na, pinalitan na ang do-it-all guy na si Jenmar Bragais. I guess this is a sign na talagang San Vicente will take the lead. They take the W. Ayan na si Napa with 12 seconds remaining. Double team and he was fouled. And nasa penalty na ang San Vicente. And Napa has a chance to add the scoring. Na medyo tumulong din ang scoring ng first quarter. Medyo hindi na lang nasunod-sunodan.
Tama. No? And this is the opportunity for Vinsons. No? They have to maximize every chance that they get on the free throw line kasi nahihirapan silang umatake with strong and tremendous power in the defense of San Vicente.
Yes, partner, hindi na nga pinasok masyado si Malinaw and si Ofracio ngayong fourth quarter kasi talagang pagdating sa scoring load, alam naman natin makakatulong talaga ang dalawang yun. Yan na, we are nearing the twilight zone ng ating laro. Medyo si Cabanela nabitawan lang ng bola. Sayang kasi sabi nga, this is the chance for them to score and be the score sheets.
natin if they will reach the triple-digit score in this game.
I guess aabutin partner. With exactly 2 minutes and 23 seconds. And sa Cabanela, attacks against Davao. Cabanela with an up and under move. What a shot. Humihingi ng foul, but di natawagan. Still, Cabanela gives the ball to Pedregosa. Wasting the clock. And si Cabanela inside and scores for 2.
And that's for clearing his name for his error a while ago.
Yes, you're now in the twilight zone ng ating laro. With 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining sa ating laro. 99 kontra 70. Pabor sa mga naka-dark shirts. Dedase wasting the clock. Crossing the half-court line. Gives the ball to Magana. 1-on-1 against Velasco. Magana, what a in-and-out dribble.
But it was rejected.
Grabe partner, in-and-out sabay behind the back.
Mapang-highlight sana yun.
Yes, big man with very agile. Para si Magana. Gives the ball to Dedase. Dedase attacks. And he was called for steps.
Right, I think we can clearly say, that this one is in the bag for San Vicente.
Yes.
Just waiting for the official time to run out.
And Nemi adding scoring. And adding scoring for the Vinson side.
But still, kudos for Vinsons for showing us a good basketball.
Tama ka dyan. It's always in cloud nine when you are representing talaga your city and municipality. Iba ang kumpiyansa pag talagang nire-represent mo. Kahit natalo ka, but still you are a player ng iyong lugar. Talagang yung jersey name nasa dibdib mo. Talagang it's always fun to represent your city or municipality.
Tama, you are not just carrying the surname, but rather the hopes of the people of your municipality.
Yes, tama ka dyan. We're just waiting for our final buzzer and our final score. And siyempre, abangan natin kung sino ang ating kasurog best player. Marami tayong candidates yan for sure, partner.
Tama. So yan, sa mga gusto pong manood, ang next game natin is Mercedes versus Talisay. And for the final game is San Lorenzo versus Basel. So punta na po kayo dito habang hindi pa puno ang ating court. Ito na, tingnan natin the shot that will make the score a triple digit. Pero I think they're not gonna take it.
Yes. Dahil nakita ko, nag-signal na.
Yeah, they are satisfied.
Yes.
With this win.
And that ends our ball game with the score of 99-72. Panalo po ang San Vicente kontra Vinsons. What an exciting game. It's a Genmar Bragais, Ofracio, and Malinao show for San Vicente. And on the part of Vinsons, kudos to Velasco for fighting. But still, a good quality ball game for us, partner.
Tama. Kudos to both teams. Si Vinsons naman, they still have a chance because it's their first defeat after winning their first outing. So 1-1 ang standing nila. While San Vicente naman, they will happily go home because they earned their second win. So 2-0 na ang kanilang standing dito sa ating eliminations round. Kudos of course to the basketball IQ and leadership of Bragais. Very contagious nga, sabi mo Sir Jan kanina, as i-influence each player in the team. Kaya distributed yung scorings nila around 20, 22, 24 for 3 different players.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And si Genmar Bragais talaga nakakahawa sa kanyang mga teammates. Talagang buhos itong player na ito. And syempre, credits din kay Ofracio talaga for doing his job pagdating sa scoring. And yung monstrous rebound ni Malinao pagdating dito sa San Vicente. And kumbaga, this is a learning experience for San Vinson's partner dahil makikita nila kung ano mga mali at mag-a-adjust yan for sure.
Tama, they have of course need to train harder and come back stronger. Kasi sabi mo kanina dito sa team San Vicente, a team to watch out. Wala pa dito si Nahorda. So, tingnan natin kung paano ito paghahandaan ng ibang team na makakatapat nila.
Yes, tama. Dan, mahirap talaga. This 1-2 punch, the veteran, the pro, Leon Horda and Jenmar Bragais talaga is forced to be reckoned with dito sa ating liga. So, pakaabangan natin yan.
Tingnan natin, no? Parang I think we already have nakasurog player pero siniset up lang. So, yan, medyo mahirap isipin kung sino. Kasi nga, well-distributed pero parang kitang-kita naman kung sino yung, sabi mo nga, all-around player ng Team San Vicente. Ayan
Yan, partner, kung meron ka mga shoutout, pasasalamatan, bago natin ibigay ang ating kasurog best player of the ball game.
Yan, of course, no, shoutout ko ang of course, ang ating commissioner, no, greet ulit natin ang happy birthday. Ang aking butihing kaibigan na si Coach Mark Vasquez na nanonood dyan. Very good coach and a very good friend. Ang aking mga katrabaho din sa Ateneo, maraming salamat. And of course, mga estudyante ko, mga naging estudyante ko na graduate ng Vinsons, no, very close to my heart. Ito mga researchers ko dati na sila Harold Natanio and Justin Belen. No, na nasa UP na, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So, kung nanonood man kayo or kung makakarating to sa inyo, thank you. And bisita kayo sometimes or manood kayo ng basketball ng Ako Bicol Cup.
And yun na nga, syempre, maraming salamat sa suporta na pinabibigay nyo. And for sure, may second game tayo and third game. Batiin ko ang aking mga anak na si Juan Carlos, Franco Miguel, tatay ko, Ray, Ma, Dad. And happy fiesta, Barangay Kawit East, Washington Drive. And syempre, ako si John Bachiller, kasama ko si Angelo Espinosilla, bringing you good quality ball games dito sa Ako Bicol. And yun na, kasama na ng ating courtside reporter, ang ating kasurog best player of the ball game. And pakatutok lang kayo. Cassandra, take it away.
Magandang hapon, Camarines Norte. Right here with me is the Kasurog best player of the game, Janmar Bragais, jersey number 10 from San Vicente with 24 points, 7 rebounds, 6 assists, and 4 steals. Wow, congratulations po for being the Kasurog best player of the game. And for your team's second game, pangalawang panalo nyo na po ito. Ano po bang pakiramdam nyo na ikaw yung isa sa mga players na may pinakamalaking contribution sa team?
Yun nga, nag-step up lang ako kasi kulang kami. Wala si Kuya Leo Horda, kaya yun, sabi ko sa mga teammate ko, kulang tayo. Kailangan natin manalo ngayon kahit wala siya. Wag muna natin intindihin kasi wala siya. Ilaro natin yung laro, tulong-tulong lang talaga. Yun lang.
Ayan, ano ba yung dapat naming abangan sa inyong team for your next game?
Yun, abangan nyo yung pangatlong panalo namin, gagawin namin yun. Sa lahat ng makakaya namin para makuha namin yung pangatlong panalo namin. Yun lang.
Ayan, we are currently live. Baka may gusto kang batiin o pasalamatan, go ahead. This is your chance.
Binabati ko yung unang-una kay Lord. Binigay yung panalo na sa amin. At kay Mayora, sa team owner namin, kay Boss. Tsaka binabati ko yung asawa ko ay Jenaline Bautista. Tsaka yung family ko dyan dito sa Bicol, sa Naga, yung family Bragais, yung papa ko, yung lola ko, tita ko dyan. At yung boss ko sa Porac, Mark Lapi, tsaka yung opening sa amin ngayon sa Porac, binabati ko lahat yun. Yun lang.
Ayan, thank you very much and congratulations. That's it for our first game. Back to the panel.